Speaking emoji, going macro, and sharing iCloud accounts live from the TWiT Eastside Studios, it's the new Screensavers.
Screensavers are on! I love that show! Thank you to Harry from Fort Lauderdale for a great open. Nice job, Harry. And hello, Jason Snell.
Hello, Leo Laporte.
From beautiful Arcadia Bay, Oregon.
People out there know what's up.
They know what's up.
That's right.
They're connected.
They're nerd shirts.
I'm Leo Laporte and the new Screensavers. This is episode 115 for July 29th, 2017. Yeah, that means we've been doing this 2 years plus.
Yeah, that's
pretty
what
good.
happens when you do a podcast every